Howdy team, Sacha here from GGL. We're currently out here at a Mount Eden job that we finished up at the tail end of 2025. The clients contacted us and mentioned that the rooftop was pretty much a jungle, so not functional anymore. We organised a SCAF to be constructed, so we're able to then bring up all the material. We were very fortunate to collaborate with Sculpt Gardens within this project. They heavily influenced the colour scheme and the material palette. They're really great to work with along the whole journey. So the owner of the property was actually involved with the engineering of the renovations of the property. So he was able to supply in detail the weight load in certain areas of the roof. We knew this was a perfect position for the water feature due to the structural wall underneath. Outlining the footpaths, we have subtle cordon steel edge, some macacarpa sleepers used for the planters, some garden mix within the garden, and some Waikato fleck. The feedback, they were pretty much over the moon. They were saddened at the fact that they weren't able to use this space, and now after us completing the landscaping, they're just super stoked. We completed the job on time and within budget, and that was also a huge plus. I highly recommend getting a design done, collaborate with a well-known crew, and hopefully your dreams come true. For people inspired by landscapes like this, Central Landscape Supplies has a great range of materials to help achieve the look.